Out of the corner, Garrison calls for it, puts it in there, knocked down. In front by Boychuk. Tampa buzzing across. Garrison, one-timer, scores! Jason Garrison wins it for Tampa. Back-to-back overtime wins.
And that was his second crack at it. He had a real good look at one right from the middle of the blue line that didn't miss by much, and it was a broken stick by Calvin DeHaan. It snapped on him. He didn't have a stick. It was Kyle Oposo that gave him his stick, and that allowed Tampa Bay to maybe circulate the puck around the top. Again, they go into the boards, the stick gets broken right there. He's got to drop it, and there you see him drop it, and that allowed Drouin to stick handle and use him a little bit because he didn't have a stick. The stick you see flying around the ice. Tampa does a good job of holding on to the puck, and then what you want to do is use the guy without the stick. Oposo gives him the stick. Now he doesn't have one at the top, so they take their time, and it's a pass across to Garrison, who lets it rip. I'm not sure if Grace was screened right there by DeHaan, who was kneeling down trying to block it, but that thing was moving. And once more, a one-goal lead for the New York Islanders dissipates. It falls apart late in the game, and they lose it in overtime.